channel. So today's video is going to be my summertime sleek back bun. This is just a bun that I've been doing when my hair gets really dusty, musty, crusty, busty, every type of usty that you can think of. If you are new to my channel, my name's Chloe and I make videos every single Friday, and I'd love for you to be a part of this little party we got going on. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. I got nothing else to say. Yeah. So the things that you're going to need for this little sleek down bun is any leave-in conditioner of your choice, a spray bottle with water, a brush, a little mini brush if you want to do your edges or anything like that, and edge control, as well as a scarf and some scrunchies. And I know this seems like a lot of products, but really in actuality it's like nothing. So first I'm just going to take my hair out of this little struggle bun I got going on. My hair has been just through it all. I actually went to the water park yesterday, so all the chlorine, just my hair just really needs love right now. It's bad. You guys can see it's really bad. I like to do a little part because I don't like middle parts when I do sleek buns. I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't fit my head shape. So I'm just gonna kind of do like a little side part, and I use my fingers for this. Like, it doesn't have to be anything, you know, super neat. Once your part is, you know, done, I look terrible. We're going to take our spray bottle and we're just going to spray down right where the part is. I mean, you can spray your whole head if you want to, but that's just doing too much. Usually I just kind of just spray the tops of my head. I've been looking for like a spray bottle like with the mister that everyone's been using, but I don't know. Okay, so you see that little part there? My hair is in dire need of moisture right now, so yeah. So I'm going to take the brush and kind of just smooth down that side. And mind you, I didn't put any product in it yet. This is just me smoothing my hair down and trying to get it to lay in the direction that I want to for my bun. I just spray some more. So next I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm just going to also spray this on my ends as well, but where I put the part, I'm just kind of smoothing that into my hair. I go ham with this stuff, as you can tell. Like, I really love this stuff on my hair. And you see how my part's kind of not, like, it's not well defined, but it's still a little part. Yeah, that's what we're going for. So after that, you're just going to brush. And when I just keep brushing until your hair is starting to go into the direction that you want it to. So next I'm going to be taking the Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste, and I'm going to slather this stuff in my hair. The only thing I hate about this is that you have to use a lot of it. Yes, I know I look crazy now, but don't worry. We will fix the situation. Yeah, and I just keep dipping my brush in here, and I take up this much. Like, I take up a lot, and my hair loves this stuff because it is really moisturizing as well. Look at that, guys. What? That is beautiful. I don't know, it's so satisfying to put your hair in a bun and you just see how like smooth it gets. Like, it's so satisfying to me. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the gel and put it right here, because this is where my hair tends to be really frizzy and really likes to get out of hand. So next I'm going to be taking a scrunchie, and I don't know where I found the scrunchie, but it's really good. And then I'm just going to take my hands and kind of just make the bun. And it makes it so much easier when you already like kind of brush your hair into that position or into the direction that you want to put in the bun, because right now it's so easy. All I have to do is just keep brushing it and just whoop, boom. Do you see that? I just laid. There's like this little hump that always annoys me right here, if you guys can see it, but I try to go over it a lot with gel and also with water, because I don't know, it only just has to have a little hump right there. Comment down below if you guys know what I'm talking about and you guys face the same struggles, because this stuff is a workout, I must say. Like, I'm sweating over here. It's hot out here in New York. Oh, I need to take a break. This is really hot. Oh my god. Alright, now that my hair is sort of in its position and how I want it to lay, it's so sleek right now. Like, what? And I keep adding more gel and gel, but like, I don't feel bad about adding like so much gel, because my this gel is really moisturizing and it's really good for your hair. I've been just using this gel and I love it so much, and it makes my hair really shiny. If you guys can't tell, my hair is super shiny right now. So we're gonna put this in a bun. And I just wrap it around 2 times. You don't want to make it too tight, or else, you know, we still want our edges. And you guys all know, once you wrap your hair with a scarf, it's over. But before that, I'm just going to put this bun in like a smaller bun. So I'm just going to go like that. I'm going to take another scrunchie and just secure that. So now onto my favorite part, the edges. So now I'm going to do my baby hairs. I'm just going to wet my brush with a spray bottle. And I actually did a tutorial on how I specifically do my edges. So if you guys want to see that, I will put it up here so you guys can watch that. Okay, so this is the final look. This is after I've taken off the scarf. My hair is so shiny and just beautiful and sleek, and I don't know, my hair just looks so good. I love my hair like this. I feel like I should do this more often, and with the hoops. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I make videos every single Friday, and I would love for you guys to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below of any of like your favorite natural hair products, or if you like to do this sleek bun, or any other hairstyles that you guys like to do in the summertime. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.